Hello, Jamie here from Craftmania, and we have got another unboxing for you today. I know, I'm sorry they are coming thick and fast, but this is too good for us to not share with you the moment it arrives. Now, as always, by the time you're watching this is already available on the website, and of course it's now in store for you as well. So if you prefer to come in and see us, you'll find us at Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Captain Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. And we are here from 10 till 5, 7 days a week. So you can come and see us anytime you wish to. Or of course, you can pop online and visit us on our website, www.craftmaniacraft.com. The goodies I'm going to share with you are all going to be under the new section. So let's have a little look and see what we can find on there, shall we? So here you will find that we've got brand new Ciao Bella pads. Now these ones are the pop-up pads. So all of these elements are there for you to cut out and build up and create amazing effects. And this is the brand new collection for you. This is the typography collection. In here we have got 3 each of 8 double-sided papers. They're printed on 190 GSM, and of course they are acid and lignin free. Gives you a total of 24 double-sided papers with elements for fussy cutting and bonus elements on the cover. We love it when they do that because it means that we're getting more goodies to be able to layer in with all of the rest of the papers that we're about to share with you as well. We then have the same pads for you, but this time from the brand new Eastern Journey collection. Again, all of your elements running through here on both sides, again, just like before, giving you lots and lots of bits to trim out and build up. Now, as you can see, we've got a bit carried away with these collections, and these are of course going to be available on the website and in store with 10% off as well. So this is a great way for you to come in and buy just one item, multi-buy if you wish to, or of course build up into any bundles if you would prefer to. These of course are the A4 paper packs, and we've got those for both collections. So again, your Eastern Journey and your typography collection. With these ones we get 1 each of 9 double-sided papers, and you can see across here again lots and lots of elements to be cut out and layered. So we've got all different tabs and maps and tickets and bits, and then tags as well, and the same running through the typography one. There's another one of those to go over there. Then what else have we got in our little box of goodies today? We have got the 8x8 version. So what are these ones? These are the 8x8 paper pads. Again, we've got them for the typography collection, running through and coordinating perfectly with the other elements we've been looking at. And then we've got the Eastern Journey again in 8x8. These are absolutely beautiful. Look how stunning the artwork is on these. They are just ready to be snipped out and added onto cards, into journals, into albums, or be used as the pages themselves. Now, we'll come back to some of this because I have a feeling if I dig a little bit further, oh, these are new too, but we'll come back to them in a minute, because at the bottom of this box, the very base to it, we have got some 12x12s that are of course going to coordinate in with that collection. So let's bring over this one to begin with. This again is your I can't even pronounce it right, can I? Typographic collection, sorry. And this one is 1 each of 8 double-sided papers. Again, 12x12, lots and lots of elements in there for trimming out, building up and using, or of course, nice plain backgrounds to build up on top of if you prefer. Then we have got the same going on, and this time from the Eastern Journey collection. So I'll give you a little flash of both sides of this. Look at that for an image. That is gorgeous, isn't it? We're not going to need to do too much to this, but you could do if you wanted to. You could come in and accentuate those flowers. You could build them up if you wanted. You could add some glitters and bits to them as well. In that pack, you're going to receive 1 each of 12 double-sided papers. Of course, they are double-sided. They're 190 GSM, and they are acid and lignin free. They are spectacular. Something else that's going on my shopping list. And then we'll have a little look at this one. So this one again is from the typographical collection. I think I'm changing the pronunciation of that every time I say it, but you know what I mean. Again with this one, 1 each of 12 double-sided papers, and we've got beautiful imagery running through all of those. Look at all of them elements. Now again, you could use that as a background if you wanted to, or of course we could cut into it and use all of the individual pieces. These frames and tabs are absolutely spectacular. When we look across all of the different artwork running through here, you can see there's lots and lots of options. And to have the ability to have this in 8x8, in 12x12, and then those little pads to match in, it's going to be a hard choice for you, I'm sure, to work out which collection you're going to go for. Maybe it's going to be both of them. Maybe it's going to be all of the elements. Maybe it's just going to be some of them. But all of it is now in stock and ready for you on the website. Now, Sticking with new bits and bobs, let's look through these, shall we? This is our Jungle Vibes Junk Journal pack. Now, we often talk about these with Ciao Bella, but you don't always get to see them. So let's have a little dig into one just quickly. When we call these junk journals, you kind of imagine that they might be a little booklet or something. These are actually loads and loads of pages of different pieces. So on the cover here, we can cut out all of these tags and bits. The next sheet, this is actually a sticker sheet. So you can peel the top off and use them as stickers. So you can go in and cut out the elements you wish in the ways you wish to, and then build them up in sticker form. The next one, again, we go back to our lovely elements to cut out. On the reverse of these, we've got backing papers that you can choose to use instead if you prefer. All colour coordinating, all working together. So again, bringing those into our memory albums, bringing those into our journals, bringing these into our card making. Again, another sticker sheet here for you. Then moving on to another sheet that we can trim out. Then we've got different backgrounds, more imagery, and you kind of get the idea now. There is just endless elements, papers, backgrounds, and images running throughout these for you to be able to build up and use throughout all of your paper crafting. These are giant sticker backgrounds. So again, cut them out. Maybe you want to die cut into them. Maybe you just want to use panels from them, but one panel that you can then use as you wish to. Again, more stickers towards the back here. And then we've got these lovely, great big panels that come out with, again, loads and loads of elements that you can cut out and build up. And on the reverse of it, you will see that you've got that pattern running across it. So maybe if you prefer, you're going to use this side and create some really great, big, interesting projects with it. So in total, includes 4 transparent adhesive sheets in there and a 32-page printed on 140 GSM acid and lignin-free A4 booklet. That one is the Jungle Vibes. We then have the Riviera Dream, and this one's come in stock. And we're going to have a little look through one of these as well, just so you can get a glimpse. We won't do this one quite so slowly, but we'll give you a little overview of what you're going to be receiving in here. So again, stickers, backing papers, all of the elements for you to be able to build up as you wish to create all of those beautiful looks. And then we move on from that one. There's a couple more of those. We know these are popular. Whenever these come in, they fly out as quick as can be. And then sadly, they don't seem to repeat them. So when they're gone, they're usually pretty much gone. We might be able to top them up once, maybe twice, but they never linger very long. The next one is Sports Days. So of course, everything you would imagine here for lots of different sports, running through sort of athletics to golf in the middle there, to all of the numbers and bits, bit of diving, bit of swimming, a lovely swimming pool page off to one side, some checks to match in with the golf areas and the kind of tennisy vibes maybe. But as we flick through, very vintage, bit of horse racing, there's a little bit of everything in here, a bit of rowing, tennis now, then into some basketball. There's a little bit of everything, isn't there? And then towards the back again, sticker sheets, just like before, of our kind of basketball kind of textures and checks. And then on this one, lots of numbers and elements. And then just like before, we can open this last page up so that we've got lots and lots of big elements here that we can cut out. These ones are designed for you to turn them into pockets by the look of it. So you can actually stick some of these elements into them. Same with these ones down here, and a few journaling elements too. That, I believe, completes all of the new goodies from this box, but we have also got returning in our mixed media journals. These are just one of the journals that we carry, and we've now got lots of new versions that have just come into stock. We also have a few cardio stocks coming back in, stamps even, coming back into stock as well. We do love our cardio stamps. We carry quite a collection of those. There is also a bowling set of dies from Sweet Dixie, as well as some wedding rings too. And then you may have spotted, we are on a bit of a clay mission at the moment. Oh my goodies, are we building up our clay collection? If you are into your clay, this is the place to be. And this is just one of the types of clay we already stock in lots of colours, but coming back into stock. This is our plus clay, and that's of course our terracotta colour. Now this is something that's exciting because I know lots of you have got these on back in stock notifications. So I'm happy to tell you that these are now back in, and you're going to get an email to tell you the same very soon. These of course are the distress tools, the blending tools, and they're domed on the bottom so you don't get those edges to them, and you can do some really cool delicate blending with them. And they're the mini size as well, so not too big, not too harsh to work with. That completes what's in the box today for box round number 2. Now, as always, you can pop in store and see us here at Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk, where we are open 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7 days a week. Or, of course, you can pop onto the website. The new bits will be under the new section, the back in stock bits will be under the back in stock section. Or, of course, if you prefer, you can go on and you can look for papers under papers and blending tools under blending tools on the main menu if you wish, or you can shop by brand as well. So maybe it's just the Ciao Bella you wish to look at and you want to see what other products we have available from them. You can hit up the brand page and find all of those items on one handy page. The website is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. We'll pop a link in the description to the video so you can go and find it easily. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Equally, if you'd like to know more about our international shipping, pop on and have a little look under the customer service tab on the website. But don't forget, for UK shipping, anytime you spend over £15, your UK P&P shipping is completely free. Who wants to spend out on P&P when they don't have to? So here at Craftmania, we try to make it as easy and accessible as we possibly can for you. Oh, and don't forget, you'll get inner circle reward points on every single full £1 you spend, whether you're shopping with us online or in store. Any questions, once again, pop them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all again very, very soon with our next unboxing. Bye for now.